Oh, Nickelodeon? What's Nickelodeon?
Yeah.
Oh, the slime scene. The slime scene.
You see that judge? You get that. I'm like, yo, you can only throw underhand. She's like, okay, suck
All this is for you two. Oh, by the way, come on over here. Let's clean off your goggles. Oh. All that is it's slimy, it's messy. Pound it out. Pound it out. Pound it out. One last round of
Watching on TV is a whole different character. Watching CJ on TV, they lie. Yeah, you wanna walk? Take that much.